Take us through the journey. So are you originally from Texas?
No, born in Ohio.
Okay, so got to Texas as fast as you could?
Yeah, so my dad's from here in San Antonio.
Okay.
And my mom is from Ohio, and so my dad was in the military. And so that's how they met.
Okay.
And then I was born in Dayton, Ohio.
Okay. So then you moved to Texas. What
Yep.
brought you to Texas?
So I was big into sports when I was growing up. My dad was a big football player, big time football player as a quarterback. And so drag racing and any kind of automotive stuff wasn't even in the picture.
Okay.
And anybody in my family, really. But my dad, being the football guru that he was, football was everything to me. And so what actually brought me here was the end of my sophomore year. Back home in Ohio, I was doing good on the football team, and my goals was to be a professional football player. And so everybody in my family knew that, all my friends knew that. And so my uncle, who lived here in San Antonio, he made a call one day, and I just got done with my sophomore year and up there of sophomore year of school. And he said, if you're serious about it, you need to come to Texas. And I was on a flight within a week.
That's
and
awesome.
so I came here at the end of my sophomore year.
Okay. So how did that transition into the car world?
Football didn't work out. So I was kind of lost for several years. So I kind of was a late bloomer into the hot rod field. And then I ended up, my favorite vehicle was at the time, still is actually, is a Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am. And so I ended up getting one of those. Well, then it got totaled. But during that time when I had the Trans Am, I would get smoked by Mustangs out street racing.
Okay.
So I figured, can't beat them, join them. So that's kind of
Okay.
where it all started.